Hi, I wanted to share an extremely easy teaching hack that will help you make students stay focused when they watch YouTube videos, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so to start, you can see here that I'm trying to play a video for students, but there is all this junk on the side that I don't want them to be seeing, maybe when I'm sharing my screen, or maybe a parent even doesn't want their kids seeing all this. So we're gonna go ahead and download an extension that's gonna get rid of it all. Open up a new tab, and in here you can even just search to find the Chrome Web Store. Once you're here, we're going to go ahead and search for remove recommended YouTube videos. The extension you want is this one right here. It has this play button that's kind of pink, and it's called Remove YouTube Recommended Videos by Allison Cho. I'm going to add to my Chrome extensions. Add extension. If I ever, for any reason, want to see it here, I can go to my extensions, and it's right here. I'm able to turn it off, turn it on, I can remove it too. But let's go back to that video now and see, after we refresh, what it looks like. Ta-da! Now you can see that I have all the things on the side removed. My students can focus on my video. I hope you found this helpful. Feel free to pass it on to friends that might also benefit from this tech hack. Thanks.